Hi everybody, this is Fagun Shah from Integration Lab, and in today's automation video we are going to make a video for Automation December 2024 challenge by Pabbly Connect founder Neeraj Agrawal. He posted about this challenge today morning in the Pabbly Connect official Facebook group, and this is the channel as you can see on the screen. So the automation is basically whenever there is a new YouTube video on a certain YouTube channel, you can use Happyscribe, which is a transcription service or SaaS, to create a transcript of that particular YouTube video, and then use ChatGPT to summarize it and then send it to yourself on email, right? So that is the whole use case. Now why I am using Happyscribe in this case? Because generally YouTube doesn't provide the mp3 URL directly, so you cannot directly pass that YouTube URL to something like OpenAI Whisper or Assembly AI or any other similar services, right? But if you use Happyscribe, which was an LTD in the past on AppSumo, so many people in LTD community already have that thing. You can directly pass the YouTube video URL and you can still get the transcript out of it. Okay, so let me show you how I have set up the workflow. So this is the first step, which is trigger. So whenever there is a new video, so I have currently selected my channel, but you can use any channel ID. Okay, whatever channel you like on the YouTube, you can use their channel ID and it will still work. Okay, so that's the first thing. Then you need to use the step for just a second, looks like my login is expired, so I will just refresh it once. And okay, so the second action will be Happyscribe to create transcription. Now why I haven't mapped it from here? Because I have a Happyscribe free plan, so I cannot use it to generate more than 10 minutes of transcription in a free plan, right? So that's why I have entered a URL which is less than 10 minutes of time. Okay, then you need to enter the language here, right? I have entered English US, so but because of my accent there will be some mistakes, but it will be around, I would say, 90% accurate, right? And okay, so sorry, this is transcription name, so you can enter the name of the video, let's say vid1 or something like this, right? And then you have to enter the workspace name. How do you get the workspace name? So here, so anything before the apostrophe s is your workspace name, right? So you enter that, subtitles you want it or not, and that will basically give you an ID which is like a transcription ID or a transcription job ID, which you need to use after some time to create an export out of it. Okay, now I would recommend, if you are doing like 10-minute kind of video transcription, 5 minutes should be good enough to start. Okay, but if you are doing larger videos, let's say 30 minutes 1 hour videos, then I would say you add bigger delay values like 30 minutes or something like that. Okay, and then you can use action for Happyscribe called create export. Here I have selected the format as a text because I just need to pass it to ChatGPT to create a summary. I don't need the subtitles, so I have selected all these options as a false, and this transcription ID is mapped from the second step's output. Right now, after that, once that is ran, it will give us another ID which is a export ID, and that we need to enter in the next step called retrieve and export, and that will basically give us the text file URL which contains the whole transcript in a text format. Right now, since it is in a text file, not in a text format, we actually have to read it somehow, right? If we can't read it, that means we cannot pass it to ChatGPT as a whole text, right? So for that, you just need to do a simple GET request with that download link, and that will basically return you the whole transcript like this. Okay, now once you receive that transcript, you can set up your ChatGPT prompt with your whatever model that you like, or whatever is the based model with the best cost for your use case. You should select that and provide a proper prompt. Also map the response of this get API call in the OpenAI step like this, and that will basically give you a summary, something like this. Okay, now in the last step I am sending that thing to email, like I am emailing myself here, so that will basically open something like this. Okay, so yeah, this is the whole use case, which is generally people are finding it difficult to create a transcript of a YouTube video, because almost all the transcription service doesn't support the YouTube to MP3 conversion and then MP3 to transcription conversion directly. So Happyscribe can be a very good option for all the people who are trying to achieve YouTube transcription and then the summary using ChatGPT, right? And I will put this workflow link in the description of this video as well, in case you want to get it. Let me just map this thing dynamically so people don't make a mistake here. So video URL, and that's it. So now you can clone this workflow in your account as well. And yeah, to get more free videos like this and free custom apps like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, and if you are like looking for purchasing custom apps which are currently not available in Pabbly, you can go to my store.integrationlab.in, and you can get the apps which are free, and some of them are free, some of them are paid, so you can purchase whatever you like. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.